Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Algorand, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of Algorand. Algorand is a blockchain platform designed for speed and efficiency. Make sure you have the Algorand wallet set up before beginning the budgeting process. If you don't have a wallet yet, download the official Algorand wallet app. Create a new wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Securely back up your recovery phrase in a safe place. Now, open your Algorand wallet. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Check your current balance to see how much you have available. Next, determine your budgeting goals. Decide how much you want to allocate for savings, expenses, and investments. Consider your monthly income and key expenditures. Create a simple budget outline on paper or in a spreadsheet. After outlining your budget, decide how much of your Algorand holdings to allocate towards these categories. Use the wallet to check the current market value of Algorand. Assess how market fluctuations may affect your budget. Create a tracking system for your expenses. Consider using a budgeting app that integrates with cryptocurrency. Input your planned allocations into this tracking system. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Monitor your spending habits and see where you can cut back. Keep an eye on the performance of your Algorand investment. Make sure to account for transaction fees when making transfers. If you're allocating some of your budget to investments, think about setting up a recurring purchase plan. Educate yourself on Algorand's various features, including staking. Consider staking your Algorand tokens for potential rewards. This can offer additional income that can be reinvested into your budget. Evaluate your progress at the end of each month. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.